Today I'm living tiny. Let me explain. I'll be cooking the world's tiniest food in the world's tiniest pot using the world's tiniest stove. But it's not going to be that simple to just like cook wherever you want or wherever. I'll be sneaking the ingredients from the kitchen without letting my mom know, and I'll be cooking inside my own room without my mom knowing.
Enemy spotted.
I don't have the smallest potatoes, but I just collected the first ingredients, and now I'm going to like go fetch the other ingredients. So I'm back with the other two ingredients, which are the seasoning. I didn't show it on video, but I'm back with it. So now that we have the ingredients to use, let's start with cooking the food. And it's rice, as you know, so I carried whatever. So I'm going to start right now. I need water and I need fire, and I'm going to like find a way to start the fire. I mean, and hopefully I don't burn the freaking house down. I'm finding a way to like start the fire right now because I'm looking for like the tiniest firewood and whatever. So I'm going to like be setting everything up, and so I'm in the kitchen right now to like carry a local broom. You know, a local broom is just like those broom made with tree, whatever. So I'm going to be using that local broom as the firewood. So this is the local broom, and I'm going to be like using them. It's a bit wet, so but anyhow, I'm going to like use them to like start the fire. Now I'm going to like break all of them into like smaller pieces to like imitate a firewood or something like that. So I just broke every one of them into tiny pieces, and these are the tiny pieces. It looks like firewood, I think. Just little firewoods. So now let's find a way to start the fire. I'm trying to find a way to like start the fire, but I can't find any matches or whatever. I'm in the kitchen right now, but if I want the gas to like start the fire, my mom will know about it. So just have to keep it low key and find any matches around. The magnets just keep like joining together, and the fire, it's really hard to put fire on. I just added the rice because I can see like there's some smoke like moving from the there's some smoke like puking out of her whatever. But my mom is like 1 inch away from here, but I hope she don't like smell the smoke. My mom's like getting like suspicious because like she just like started like shouting out like something smelling like a sweet burnt paper, and you just have to like keep this low key and let me just like put perfume everywhere or something like that. It's been 30 minutes and this thing hasn't like worked. And my mom's is getting like suspicious about everything. And if this doesn't work like in the next 1 hour, I'm like skipping this challenge. I'm like ending the challenge. So let's just keep going. If this doesn't work in the next 1 hour, I'm dropping the challenge. That's it. But let's just keep going. I'm going to leave this out for like 30 minutes, and if this doesn't work, like if nothing happens, I'm stopping this challenge. I'm like quitting it. My mom is really getting like very suspicious about this, so I'm quitting this challenge if this doesn't work. It's been up to 1 hour and yet nothing happens. So I'm hereby stopping the challenge. It is a buster.